Hello everyone. So now the time has come for result declaration. So before going to tell you the date of declaration, let me tell you some updates. And the same update you can find in CBSE official website also. So if you go to this is main official website. So here is we have our main website, and this is result. Okay. So, before going to tell you the date, if you come to the main website, so in the main website, you will find this circular regarding DigiLocker access codes. So now, every year the students before declaration of the result, so they get one access code when all the result is ready. So that time all the students they are given one access code, the DigiLocker access code, so that they can log in into their account, and they can find out, they can download the mark sheet. And so it is already declared, it is already given on 3rd of May, and this score you can obtain from your school. And it is everything is ready, only the result is to be declared. So if you go to the main website, and if you find that folder result, so if you click here, if I click, so here one important message you can see that the result is likely to be declared after 20th May. But remember, it is official declaration, but I have okay. So once the students are getting their access code, you can imagine that you can guess that the result is going to be declared very soon, maybe within 2-3 days, maybe in the next week. So it is given 20th May. So maybe uh, sometimes at any time the result can be declared. So thank you so much. This much only for today. So more detail I will be sharing with you in the next video.